Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine. So as you all know that our syllabus is completed and we are just having revisions of the previous work. In the previous lecture I gave you the worksheet for the revision of voices. I hope that was clear to all of you and that was easily done by all of you. So in today's lecture we are again having a revision of our topic. Rather, there is only a worksheet for punctuation, and the second thing we are going to revise, we are going to practice is dialogue writing. We did the practice of letter writing, we did the practice of paragraph writing. Now we are going to revise dialogue writing as well. So in today's lecture we have two things to do: one worksheet related to punctuation and dialogue writing. So here we have the worksheet. What you are going to do, there are two exercises, not only one, there are two exercises for the punctuation. Punctuate the sentences using full stop and capital letter where appropriate. Let me read the sentences for you. In these sentences you only have to use full stop and capital letters. The man bought the newspaper. He was an avid reader of the Sun. Jill ran up the hill with Jack. They needed to fetch a pail of water. The must-see film of the year is the new Spider-Man movie. It stars Tobey Maguire. On Wednesday and Thursday, I am traveling to Russia on the Orient Express. Number 5. Will Young won the first ever Pop Idol competition. Pete Waterman was a judge. Number 6. Manchester United have won my trophies. Next, the Beatles claimed they were more famous than God. The Great Wall of China was built by Shi Yong Ti. His title was First Emperor of China. The Mediterranean Sea is a favorite holiday destination for British tourists. In 1989, a war broke out between the British and the Boers in South Africa. This is the first exercise you have to do. You have to copy all these sentences on your notebooks and then you will punctuate the sentences. You don't have to rewrite the sentences to punctuate. You can just punctuate the sentences over, or you can write the punctuation mark, or you can use black pen for punctuation so that it should be prominent. Exercise B. Punctuate the following sentences inserting colons, comma and capital letters. Now here we have, what is colon? Remember? That's good. Colon, commas and capital letters. Number 1. Charles Dickens wrote A Tale of Two Cities, Little Dorrit, A Christmas Carol and Bleak House, amongst others. Exam will take place this week, Monday, Tuesday, before break, Thursday afternoon and Friday in place of assembly. The guest arrived early. Lady Ponsonby in diamonds and a white fur coat. Lord Picklenose with a glamorous girl on each arm. Mr. Carruthers, with half the contents of a bottle of whiskey already under his belt, and the luscious Honorable Miss Hilly Flower in a very short, very shiny dress. So, in these sentences, you need to use colons, comma, and capital letters. So these are two exercises for punctuation. This is your practice for punctuation. So you are going to rewrite these sentences on your notebooks, and then you will punctuate the sentences with black pen, so that the punctuation, the punctuation marks should be prominent. Next, what you are gonna do next? The next task for you people today is you have to write a dialogue. So you're gonna write a dialogue between an employer and employee on the issue of leave. Means the employee is asking for leave, and they are having an argument on that issue. So you are going to discuss that argument in your dialogue. Hopefully nothing is confusing in today's lecture as well. Again, the same instructions, that you are going to do the work properly, neatly on your notebooks, language portion, and hopefully the situations are getting clear. And whenever we'll get back to school soon, inshallah, I will check your notebooks. So please maintain your notebooks properly. There shouldn't be anything missing, there shouldn't be any rough work. The work should be neat and clean with proper day and date. Got it, everyone? Okay, take care of yourselves, and Allah Hafiz.